Okay, so we have a story problem. What's our first step we always do? We're going to read it and underline important information. Okay, so you underline while I'm reading. Coach Milner fed the team after the game by buying 24 chicken dills for $4 each, 7 burger dills for $6 each. Simplify 24 times 4 plus 7 times 6 to find the cost of the food. Now, in this case, I didn't even have to come up with the expression. They just gave it to me. So really, they've made my story problem super easy. They said 24 times 4 because 24 chicken dills at $4 each, right? And then they're adding the 7 burger dills times 6 because they were $6 each. So now my job is very easy. I just have to do order of operations and solve it. Okay, so according to order of operations, I'm going to do what first?
24 times 4.
24 times 4. And the reason why I'm doing that one, I can't add the parentheses, but I'm going to just solve it because that's how it is, left to right. Okay, so 24 times 4, what is that?
48.
96.
96.
Oh, 48.
And I'm okay with you using your calculator to move things along faster. Okay, and then drop everything else down. Okay, next thing I'm going to underline? 7 times 6, which is?
42.
And then drop everything else down.
138.
Okay, and my final one?
138.
138. Now do your funnel. And before we box our answer, this is a story problem, so what am I going to have to add?
Dollars.
Dollars. So I can say dollars at the end, but what's more common is if I use a dollar sign. And I can box that as my final answer. Now something I want you to know about, just as a reminder, hopefully you already know this, the dollar sign should always be on the left. Sometimes I see kids writing it behind the number, and that would be wrong. I know, it looks weird. It always goes in front of the number, okay?
It does that.
All right, let's move on to the check it out. When you're done with your check it out, I want you to look back here to see if you have it done correctly. Okay, go ahead and do check it out. Let's check yours on here. Okay, so they underlined the parentheses first. Excellent. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay, and then everything else got dropped down. Perfect. Then next up was multiplication. So 2 times 9. Is this just a squiggle in here, whoever did that? Okay, so it should be 2 times 9, which is 18. Drop down the plus and the 4. 18 plus 4 is 22. Love it. They've got their funnel in and their boxed answer. Excellent. And then here we have the exponents is underlined first. So in my head, I'm thinking 5 times 5, right? And that's how they got the 25. They drop down their plus and their 16 and their times 3. And then they times, 25 times 3 is underlined. Bring that down of 75. Plus comes down, 16 comes down. 16 plus 75 is 91. Boxed it, funneled, perfect. Okay, this is exactly what we're going to be doing on our review for mastery and then as our homework for tonight. So we are set.